What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Random Box Unbox channel, where we aim to grow this channel to give back to the community. And what I mean by the community, I mean you guys, the very own people that will help build this channel. So thank you so much for being here. This is your boy Sky. Without further ado, let's get into these keycaps. Alright guys, so what we have here for you today is some handmade keycaps. So I ordered these on AliExpress. I will leave the links down below if you're interested in purchasing these. I have no affiliation with them, and I actually own one of these keycaps. I believe I do have the purple one, which I will show you shortly, and that's why I ordered more. I really like them. So let's just go ahead and open this bad boy up and let's see what we have in here. Oh, all right. They didn't send the last one like this. Nice little wooden case. It's very light. So they have a little card in here, basically saying thanks for being a customer. Oh, this is nice of them to send a keycap puller. Thank you. I already have my own. I appreciate that. That's very nice. And let's just go ahead and open these up. Oh, I like how they have handmade on them. Alright. And that is all. So let's open these bad boys up. And I will also place them on the keyboard so you guys can take a look. Maybe you like them, maybe you end up getting some. Alright, so here's the first one. This is a kind of like gold yellow. So what these are, they're Cherry MX, and they're resin, they're handmade, and they use silver foil inside. So I guess they let it dry up with the silver foil pieces inside, and it gives it that nice little shine. So that's one. Let's open the other ones up. Alright, this is a red one. It's not as red as I would like it, but it's very nice. It's more of a light red color. Might look darker on the camera. Alright. So this is supposed to be a mix of blue and pink, sort of. And it's supposed to give you kind of like a purplish style. Alright, and this last one is supposed to be the dark blue. So I will be placing these on my, F10, F11, F12 keys. Alright, and this is the very last one. As you can see, they're all very nice. And let me show you the purple one that I already own. All of these are from the same seller. Took a while for them to arrive, so without further ado, let me just place them on the keyboard and see if you guys like them. Alright, so as you all can see, I already have some of my keycaps removed. And I'm just going ahead and place these on here. Alright, so that's one. No particular order here. That's two. That's three. That's four. And let's place a fifth one right over here. All right. I think those look fairly nice. Alright, so I want to thank you all very much again for joining us here at Random Box Unbox, and I hope to see you back here again. Thank you for your support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next time. Thank you.